here's how to do this dope mirror swipe video effect with your phone for free. Let's go. Set up the mirror in your room and stand in front of it. Choose the angle so that there will be no reflection seen. Then stand over to the side so that there is a full reflection of you in the mirror. Change the outfit and then open the clips in the CapCut app. First the swiping one and then the one to the side. Hit full screen for that clip and take a screenshot. Open that screenshot in the photo room app by hitting start from photo and selecting it. The app will automatically remove the back and then you will manually remove yourself, leaving only the reflection. Save this photo to your album and go back to the CapCut app. Hit overlay, add overlay and choose this cutout. Then place it right in the mirror for the video. Hit mask, choose film strip and place the sides of the strip right to where the mirror is. Now scroll over in the video to right where you start to swipe and create a keyframe right there. When the swipe ends, pull the reflection to the left of the mirror and hit mask again. Place the mask borders back on the borders of the mirror and you can now see that cool swipe effect. Do the exact same thing for all the different outfits and the different reflections. Export the video and that's it.
If I tell it to pull her, she gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on unless it's unleaded.